I'm participating this property show, CREDAI property show on behalf of NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited, which is a subsidiary of NCC Limited. We have pan-India presence across Hyderabad, Bangalore, Guntur, Vizag, Ranchi and Dubai as well. So we are doing a project in Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Residency, which is ready to move in. This project, it's in 9.6 acres. Total 10 towers we have. The height of each tower is ground plus 10 floors. So across all the towers, we are coming up with 460 independent premium apartments. Why I used independent means on each floor there are only 4 flats, no common wall. All are individual flats and corner flats, and 3 sets open for your flat. So with that abundant ventilation and air inside the flat you will get. So as I told you, it's a gated community. You will have round-the-clock security with intercom and CCTV facility and compound wall with solar fencing for entire layout. We are giving 100% power backup, including your ACs and geysers, then centralized gas supply, 2 car parks provision in the basement, 3 high-speed lifts in each block, 2 passenger, 1 service lift. In addition to this, we are giving 100% power backup, including your ACs and geysers. In addition to this, we are giving 28,000 SFT fully loaded 4-level clubhouse in the center of the project. There you have AC guest rooms, ultra-modern gym with steam and sauna, yoga, meditation hall, library, indoor games like billiards, snookers, table tennis, squash court, party hall, mini supermarket. Outdoor we have tennis court, basketball post, a spacious swimming pool with children pool. Already 260 families are residing happily in the project, and they are using the clubhouse since 2 years. Okay, so we have 3-bedroom luxurious apartments, east and west. The size 2,430 minimum and maximum we have 2,690 SFT. So it's a wonderful location advantage you have. It's very close to Raheja Mindspace, IT hub, financial district, all the national international schools. You have hospitality, hospitals nearby our project. So this project name is Nagarjuna Residency and company name is NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited. It's a wonderful opportunity. In addition to this, we are coming up with one more project adjacent to this Nagarjuna Residency. This project name is Nagarjuna NCC Urban Gardenia project name. There we have 4-bedroom apartments with 3,300 SFT. With terrace gardens. Each apartment will have terrace gardens, and one more block we are coming up with the same project, duplex apartments. The size of the duplex apartment is 4,000 SFT with clubhouse and all. This is a wonderful project we are coming up with from NCC Urban. CREDAI is such a wonderful property show which CREDAI they are conducting here. So total 150 developers are participating. We are expecting a good number of walk-ins today and tomorrow as well, because this is a total 3 days property show. Yesterday it is started Friday. Today is the 2nd day and tomorrow is the 3rd day. We are expecting good number of. Already you can see the flow of the customers. It's heart of the city. This property show which they are conducting in Necklace Road, Jalabihar.